Hello guys, welcome back. So we are going to cook rice with rice cooker. It's with rice cooker. So I put my rice. This is 3 cups of rice. My oil. Half teaspoon of salt. So I have 3 cups of rice. I will put 6 cups of water in this rice. Yes. So I have put 6 cups of water. Then I will stir it, the salt to dilute So I will close my rice cooker. Then I'll put on here. Then I'll make this down. Yes, rice to cook. So see you later when the rice is cooked. So this is our rice. After 15 minutes, then I will put up to cook slowly. So you wait for it until maybe 2-3 minutes, then I'll put it off.